Hi, welcome to DL4JRA. In this video, we will go through on using the image classification model in DL4JRA using the image classification function. Click Continue on image classification. Then you will see this menu. This box is where we should put the address of our classifier model. Let's search for our model. We will use the doc model. Address the model zip file. Then click Update. If you see the green box pop up, means that the model is successfully loaded. You can see that it states the class number 5, means we have 5 classes in this model since we do have 5 dog breeds in our dataset. Click on Configure, then this menu pops up. You can change the output display image dimensions here, and you will see the classes labels name as class 1, class 2, and so on. The model did not save the class names, so we have to specify it for our understanding. Type in the class names alphabetically. Let's look at our dataset folder names. Once we're finished, click Update. Then select on your camera to classify. You can use a webcam, but in this video, I want to use my OBS virtual camera, where I will run the slideshow of dog photos. I have set up my OBS for this tutorial. Now I should turn on the virtual camera. Then now we can see the dog photos here. Then we can start streaming in the DL4JRA, and we should see if the model can detect the dog's breed correctly. You'll see the label name under this in this gray box here. Seems like it doesn't work as well as we hope for. We will need to better train the model, perhaps with more epoch and more images for each classes. You can stop the streaming by clicking the red stop button. And that is it for the image classification tutorial. Thank you.